How to create an account in Totaljobs. So hey guys, on today's video I'll be teaching you how to create an account on Totaljobs. To create an account in Totaljobs, all we need to do is open up our Totaljobs right here. Once we open up our Totaljobs right here, all we need to do is click on right here on the email, then add ourselves our email address right there. As you can see right there, we're gonna add ourselves our email, and then click on next right there. After clicking on next right there, we must go to our Gmail right here. If ever there's a verification ready yet, my computer's ready right now. So as you can see right now here, we're gonna enter in a password. So we're gonna enter in a strong, very strong password that nobody can ever hack. Hashtag ABC 1 2 3 4 5. And now once we are ready with our strong password, click on confirm. After pressing on confirm right there, all we need to do is click on let's start right here. Hi, let's find your next job. There you go. As you can see right now, which job are you looking for? You can either put nurse or designer or so much more that you can choose from. So right now we're gonna choose maybe gaming. Is there a job like that? Now there's a gaming industry. There you go. Continue. And then now here we're gonna put in our location. Where do you want to work? Let's skip on that one. Total job area where you want to work, skip on that. And then once we are right here, you can push in auto show. You can have yourself some what do you call this? Notification. Now here, as you can see right now, we have just created our Totaljobs. So yeah, there you go guys. That's how you make your create or sign in to your Totaljobs step-by-step guide. So there. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more questions or concerns, you can always type it down in the comment section below, guys. And I will be happy to answer you as soon as possible on here on Guide Glimpse. And then there you guys. See you on the next one. And thank you guys.